I know, bruh. I just got chills. Like, I'm not even playing. I just got chills. Look at this, y'all. What's going on, y'all? You are here with Getting Real with Joe, and my name Joe. We here at the Occoneechee Reserve Natural Trail Walking, whatever you call it. I don't know what you call it, but we're gonna find out today. I got the family with us. They ready. We ready. I hope y'all ready to get real with the outdoors. You getting real with the fam. You getting real with wifey behind the camera. Shout out to her. You know what I'm saying? So we out here. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get real. Check this out, y'all. So, peep the scenery out. You don't know when no, I'm playing. No, for real. Check this out, though. Look at this. This is a hill slash mountain. The paper says mountain. Right there. We got the highway on that side. We got the mountain, the hill, whatever you want to call it on this side. So basically, we're going to try to see if we can see some wildlife today. It's real hot out here, so all the wildlife are trying to be in the shade. So once we get over the top of this hill, we're gonna probably see, I don't know, maybe some rabbits. I know they got deer in the woods or something like that, so we'll see. All right, we just gotta find. All right, let's see. Gotta find the clearance. I'm gonna show y'all how steep this is. Look at the hill. Look at the trail we just walked. And y'all see how slanted the hill is, right? All right, I'm finna roll this down there. Y'all ready? What was that? Do you hear anything? What, it sound like a bird? All right, come on, let's go here. Let's go. I shouldn't be excited about stuff like this, but I don't care. Come on, let's find a weapon or something. All right, let somebody try to run up. Let them try to run up. Come on. Yo, this hill is steeper right here, man. What? I was just making sure y'all was straight. I wanna throw this. I wanna throw this under there again. I'm gonna roll it again, y'all. Let's find clearance. Let's find some clearance. Right here is good. Right here. I'm finna throw this. Look how much more clearance we have right here. Ready? Still haven't seen an overlook yet, so let's actually let me use this. Let me hold this in case somebody wanna act tough. Look at this. Come on, y'all. We gotta clean up after ourselves, man. Even if you don't want it. Tighten up, man. Tighten up. All right. Oh, it's actually helping right here. Yeah. Oh shoot. So we haven't seen no wildlife yet at all, except for spiders and some big old ants. Some big old bull ants. So right now, I'm gonna try to keep my balance while talking to y'all. That gotta be wind or something. There's no way. That has to be like wind. Something. All right. Watch our step. What's up?
I have a rock for you. This in case you wanna.
In case I wanna what?
This in case you wanna throw the rock back down there.
You wanna throw the rock down there? Come on. Let's throw the rock down there. Throw it down there. Throw it as far as you can. As I go. What the? It's okay. This is crazy, man. Got the kiddos out here. Yeah. Got you, man. So, here, right. Hold that. Alright. This is crazy, man. This is a slope. We're not at no angle, man. Look at that. This goes straight down. You fall, man, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Just being out here in the wilderness, man. Pretty cool. What is that? That is a huge spider web. Y'all stay right here. Let's go check this out, though. Check out this spider web, yeah. Check this out. That's huge. I got. Oh, this is my son Malachi right here. Come here, Malachi. Let me introduce you to the channel, bro. Come here. See what's going on, man. Right here. So what's up, y'all? Where we at?
At a hiking trail.
At a hiking trail? You excited to be out here? You like the outdoors? That's what's up, man. Me too. The ladies left us. They up front. Over there. I'm about to catch up, though. I'm about to catch up. See you later. It's beautiful, man. I can chill out here all day, not even be doing nothing. What you say, Raya?
It's peaceful.
Is what?
It's peaceful.
It's peaceful out here. We haven't ran into nobody yet. We've been walking for a while. We in the shade though. The whole trail is in the shade. Look how steep that hill is though, man. This is crazy. We're literally walking on a mountain, y'all. I can't stress it enough. So we just on a nature trail. Me and the fam. And we see, oh, it's two. It's one laying down too. It's two. It's one laying down. You got one laying down. This is beautiful, man. So we're gonna try to sneak up on these. There's no way I'm sneaking up on this deer. There's no way I'm sneaking up on this deer. Still there. Check him out, man. Beautiful doe. This is a beautiful doe, man. Gotta watch my step because it still is the wild, y'all. Oh, you got another one back there. See him right there? You got two of them. Want to see if I can get as close as possible without startling him. Oh, there he goes. They're gone. So we got the two does. We don't mean no harm, man. We don't mean no harm, but this is beautiful. He's looking right at Malachi. He's looking at Malachi. Bruh, I knew we were going to see some type of form of wildlife, whatever it would be. Would it be rabbits?
An owl. I thought
owls,
we would see an owl.
any type of bird. We got the chance to see a doe. Hiking, two at that. This is crazy. This is only the beginning, y'all. This is only the beginning. And no other better time than to be with the fam, man.
Right.
No better time, man. You got Malachi up there. No better time, bro. It's amazing. So, I've seen pictures of this place on the map, but to actually witness or overlook, gotta be amazing, man. So I think we're walking up on it now. If not, oh well, but if we are, y'all get to see it for the first time as we are seeing it. So come on, let's go. Hold on, guys, hold on. Check this out, man. This is beautiful, bruh. You can't get no better than this. So far. Look at this, bruh.
Wait, so which path did I go?
We're going this way. I know. Bruh, I just got chills. Like, I'm not even playing. I just got chills. Look at this, y'all. Come on, man. Let's go. Be careful, Raya.
Oh.
Bruh. What?
No.
What we doing up here, y'all? I just got chills, man. I ain't gonna cap. Low key wanna cry, but I ain't gonna cry on camera. This Y'all be careful, man, for real. There's nothing holding us back from over here. Bruh. This is crazy. Alright, y'all, look at this, man. Look how beautiful this is. This is so steep, though. Y'all really gotta be careful, man. But they have these right here for a reason. Because everything outside of this, no man's land. Look at that. This is crazy. North Carolina, you outdid it. You outdid it, man. What's going on, y'all? We are back here at the crib, man, from a beautiful day out with the family. I didn't really get a chance to record an outro only because I kind of wanted to soak in that moment, soak in that view with the family. But Occoneechee State Mountain Park is highly recommended if you are into nature, if you're into hiking, and anything with outdoors, man. I recommend you go there because I believe they do have like a fishing lake, anything outdoors with the kids, whatever. But I do highly recommend it. If you are in the North Carolina area, I'll leave a description below of the address. You can go check it out. Until next time, let's get real.
You like the huh?